I'm Leo Duffy and I work for Visformatics. I've worked for Visformatics for 4 months. I think that once you know a programming language, regardless of whether it's an object-oriented programming language or a functional programming language, you have a mindset, you kind of understand to a degree how a programming language will work, and you have a basis for comparison. Learning the second language, the third language, the fourth language is always going to be easier than learning your first language. So coming out of the bootcamp, already knowing JavaScript, you already have sort of problem-solving processes that you go through, and once you have that kind of problem-solving process, you're applying it to something new isn't that difficult. The support at Northcoders was great. Pair programming specifically kind of gave you the ability to not only develop your own way of solving problems, getting advice from tutors, but also it allowed you to see how other people solve problems and thus giving you a greater arsenal in which to attack your next problem.